Yeah.
This is one of the biggest one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. High water. Oh yeah, we got a little bait. Pinfish. Look like all pinfish.
Oh, come on.
All pinfish. I don't know. What, a muskrat? I don't know. I'm not over there. Oh, like eggs. Let's see. Oh, we got some menhaden. We're going straight to the bucket with those. Look at that big thing. Oh no, that's a gar. How the heck did I catch a gar? Yeah, look at his teeth right there. Look at his teeth on his bill.
You said he didn't have teeth.
Oh, that's I don't know of anybody that uses a gar for bait. There he goes. Oh. Fishing for cast nets. I think we're done catching bait, okay? We're going to be out on the river shore today. I'm going to go ahead and apologize right now. I got we just had a shower coming through, so I got my GoPro buttoned up in the regular case so it's waterproof. So the audio may be not the best quality since it's quite a bit of wind out here. So we just got bait and we're going to see what happens. Good morning.
Who's the widow?
Like you. Yeah, but he's pretty.
He has blue on him.
Yeah.
I'll follow him. I'll take a picture with
him. Let's see. Oh, I'm seeing if we got just 2 overcasts. I don't think my camera, the GoPro's getting it. You got him?
Is it spines?
All right, roll them upright. You lost it? There's a fish right there.
What?
It just hit right off the bank there.
I just had it.
I was trying to rig up my other pole. Come on.
Is it white?
It's right there. It's a little guy though. Go down to the beach.
Put this bait back.
Yeah, put that bait back. Oh, that might be a keeper. Slot size. Hey there, sir. Right there. They're hitting right there. Drum.
What are you throwing at him?
Okay, menhaden. Right there, the little black box. Yep. Yep, bring that. Careful.
Oh, it's a wet fish.
It is. Looks like a slot fish, buddy. Keep her. Hold him. Hold the rod.
I don't weigh the fish. Can I weigh the fish?
Let's get him up here first so we can say we landed him. All right, let's take that. Now there's a tape measure on it. That's why I asked you to get it.
Can I do this?
Hold on.
Oh, it's heavy.
Well, he just slipped sand in my eyes. All right, come here.
Do I bring the rod?
Nope, bring that.
Is it staying?
What's this? What's this? There's a tape measure. 21. That's a slot fish. We can eat him. Your mommy be proud.
So can I weigh him?
Yeah, you can weigh him, pick him up. What's it say? Like less than 3 pounds. Yeah, we'll get him up here. We'll measure him.
Black drum.
No, that's a red drum.
No, it's not.
That's red. Huh. Hey, hold on. Now do it.
Why are you making it so harder?
Because you're fighting the weight of the fish. Oh, that's a pretty fish there, man.
It's
It's got, look, 5 spots. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish right there. Oh, hold on. That's a bigger one. That might be your biggest one.
Bigger than the drum?
Oh no, that is a big drum.
It's a drum?
Yeah, it's a drum. Look at, I don't know if y'all can see it with the rain.
Yeah?
No, he's not quite bigger than mine.
Oh, he's the same
But he's a keeper. He looks like he's just above slot, or right at slot.
Same size as you?
No, he might be the same size. Don't twist my ankle. Like what? It might be its brother.
Look.
22.
That's bigger than mine.
Yeah, it is bigger than mine. Good job. High five. Good job. We got our 2 fish of the day.
I caught.
It was a good thing too
I got 2.
that flounder hook's down there. Looked out. All right, folks, before I go, I wanted to kind of stop and take a minute and talk about that rig that my son was throwing. And I made a mention about how that drum swallowed the hook. I'm going to put a picture in. What he was throwing was a 2-aught or 1-aught wide gap hook. And I typically like to throw those on my rigs for flounder. And North Carolina, we only have the month of September to catch flounder. So I felt like one of the rigs needed to be a flounder, and if someone's going to catch it, I just assumed him do it, and he was going to catch anything else that decided to go on that smaller hook. Now, the reason why we put that wide gap hook, the flounder can open their mouth so wide that they'll spit the hook, and that's why I've had better luck with wide gap hooks on catching flounder. It was under the Marine Fisheries regulation on hook. It's got to be less than a 5-aught hook. Anything over a 5-aught hook has to be a circle hook with the barb decrease if you're drum fishing. So it was a 2-aught. So it was a lot smaller than the regulation. And also, you have to have a certain size leader length when you go to those bigger size hooks for those bigger redfish. So fortunately for us, when he swallowed that hook, or the fish swallowed that hook, it was a keeper size fish. Now, a couple of the smaller ones did not swallow the hook, so we were able to do a release on them too. So he caught 2. We got the video of 1. So just wanted to touch base on that is why, you know, we were using a different hook for his rig. So with that, I hope you all enjoy it, and stay tuned for the next one. And we'll see you next time. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Thanks. Bye.